Hi everyone, today we're going to explore one of Thor's coolest feature and most useful feature for risk management, which is called the Thor Risk Manager View. So to activate this feature, you will first need to have a connection. So here I'm choosing the DXFeed1 from Phoenix, and then you have two choices. You can either just copy an account like I have right now, or you can even leave that to disabled, okay, and save, and you will be able to see the tracking of your single account, which turns Thor into not a copier, but rather a risk manager analysis tool, and that will be pretty useful in just a second. So that done, we can just place an order on our account. So here you can see I have my account there, and on Thor I click on positions and you can see the actual position. So to activate the risk manager view, all you have to do is to click on parameters and risk manager view. It will then turn into this interface. So this interface, there is a lot in it, definitely. You can see that just before recording this video, I already made quite a few trades, which is why this interface is showing up like that. So what does all those values mean? First of all, let's focus on the live P&L dashboard right here. The goal of this view is to give you a live evolution of your P&L with 4 different curves, lines. First of all, you have the orange line, which is the realized P&L, which you don't see right now. Why? Because there is no P&L realized right now that is not either the lowest or the highest. If, for example, I go ahead and close my position, up. So you can see there, I close my position and the view becomes this one. So orange is for the realized P&L. You can see that on this account, my P&L of the session of the day actually is at about minus 300. The blue line represents the lowest point of unrealized P&L where my account ever went. So here you can see it's about $200 lower than that. And the highest represents the highest, or in my case, $0. As you saw actually just a few seconds ago, if I just retake a trade up, you can see that there is a fourth line, a purple one, and this line is evolving around the live P&L of the trade in progress. So this is a really useful tool because it allows you to see in real time what P&L you are making, and it makes your graph evolves in real time. If you just want to have some of the accounts, in the case you are copying multiple accounts, etc., you can select that, and then I have only one account, but the idea is that all of the accounts that have trades in them will show in this little combo box, and you can just either select all of them, only one of them, or 2 of them, etc., and it will do a consolidated view of all the accounts that are in the list. Next, we have obviously the position and order summary, which is the exact same thing as the normal view of the positions. So close positions, working order, exact same as before. And then we have the trader performance metric. So this is also the exact same as what you can find on the normal close position tab, except for this for those values right here. There is a lot of them. The idea is that using basic formulas, we are able to calculate the efficiency on the entries, the missed profit in percentage, the win rate, some psychological factors too, like the tilt likelihood, the overtrading score, etc., etc. All of those data and values, the way they work is described in this little question mark, and so it also calculates max drawdown, recovery factors, chat ratio, a lot of useful stuff. And so this window is not meant to be, as you can see, it's quite large. So it's not meant to be like on your screen. It's meant to be on a side screen, or just a way for you to see where you are right now in your trading, when is it time to stop, when are you satisfied with your PNL, etc, etc. So that's about it for this video. I hope you liked it. Obviously this position order window there is available for every single provider, every single data feed, every single account, and it's available only on the desktop app. If you try to currently, as I'm speaking, which is mid-September 2025, this interface there is not available on the current web app, only on the desktop app, so on Windows. As you can see, it's quite cool. So don't hesitate, if you have any idea on how to upgrade it, don't hesitate to post that in the comments, and happy trading. Bye.